Good morning everyone, this is Vishakha Thakur. Welcome to 3.0 TV. Crypto TV has rebranded itself as 3.0 TV to provide an all-around update to viewers and help broaden the understanding of the evolving digital segment including cryptocurrencies, blockchain projects, Metaverse, non-fungible tokens, cybersecurity and several other related issues. So keep watching 3.0 TV for all things related to Web3, including to keep abreast of all the ongoing happenings and transformation in the digital space. Here are the news headlines. Cryptocurrencies trade flat on caution ahead of key data releases. ED freezes Rs 370 crore worth assets of a firm for laundering funds via crypto. CoinDCX plans to expand product portfolio. The merge's exact date will depend on Hashrate, says Vitalik Buterin. Tornado Cash DAO gains partial control over Treasury funds. UK asset manager Abrdn buys stake in digital exchange Archax. Zionverse to launch freedom fighter NFTs on 75th Independence Day. Buenos to deploy Ethereum Validator nodes in 2023. MTV extends Metaverse push ahead of Video Music Awards. And now the news in detail. Cryptocurrencies traded flat in early trades as investors awaited a flurry of data next week after cashing out on positive developments. US consumer sentiment ticked further up in August from a record low earlier this summer, and American households' near-term outlook for inflation eased again on the back of tumbling gasoline prices, a survey released on Friday showed. The University of Michigan's index of consumer sentiment rose to 55.1 in August, beating analysts' expectation of a reading of 52.5 from a July reading of 51.1. US stocks, however, gained amid continued exuberance over slowing pace of inflation, which could motivate the Federal Reserve to slow its pace of rate hikes sometime during the year. Investors will be keenly watching US building permits, housing starts, retail sales, and most importantly, minutes of the Federal Reserve meeting to get more insights on the state and the economy and the rate hike trajectory. Cryptocurrency market capitalization traded little changed at around $1.1 trillion. The Enforcement Directorate said it has attached Rs 370 crore worth of deposits invested in the bank, payment gateway and crypto accounts of a Bengaluru-based shell company incorporated by two Chinese nationals who left the country in 2020. The agency froze the funds after it raided the premises of Bengaluru-based Yellow Tune Technologies while investigating dubious smartphone-based loan lending apps which were backed by Chinese funds. These apps have shut down their businesses and diverted their profits. During the course of investigations, ED found that 23 entities had deposited Rs 370 crore into the wallets of Yellow Tune with crypto exchange Flipvolt Technologies Private Limited. These crypto purchases were then transferred to various unknown wallet addresses. Cryptocurrency exchange CoinDCX plans to foray into the Web 3.0 space by building more product offerings aiming at wider crypto adoption. It also intends to build compliance products and take up initiatives to increase awareness on crypto adoption. The unicorn is exploring to build use cases for NFTs, futures, Metaverse, DAOs, and gaming to introduce the products. It also intends to build efficient KYC tools, fund monitoring tools, and risk engines. In order to strengthen the platform, it will be working on customer support, compliance, and security. The exchange would also be working towards increasing the awareness of crypto and Web3 adoption in the country through online communities. Ethereum's co-founder Vitalik Buterin in a tweet on Friday said, although Bodle.WTF predicts September 15 as the anticipated date for the merge, the exact date of the merge will depend on Hashrate. Ethereum Foundation and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin have not strongly asserted a date, but September 15 is most likely based on the current hash rate at 879.2 THz. The Ethereum mainnet is ready to merge with the Bitcoin chain to transition from proof of work to proof of stake consensus. The Tornado Cash DAO community voted to include DAO governance as a signatory to the Treasury's multi-signature wallet. The Treasury manages approximately $21.6 million in 3 different wallets. This vote began on Wednesday and ended Friday with 100% approval from all 12 participants. These 12 participants contributed 51,000 Tron tokens to push the vote to completion. The voting process was hastily put together with the snapshot initiated together with the proposal. With the vote passed, the DAO's treasury will now become a 4 of 6 multi-sig instead of the previous 4 of 5 multi-sig arrangement. Multi-sig wallets require a specific minimum number of signatories to approve a transaction. Abrdn, which is one of the largest asset management firms in the UK, has taken a stake in Archax, the first and only digital securities exchange to be regulated in the UK. Abrdn, which is based in Edinburgh, Scotland, is now the exchange's largest external shareholder, Archax said Friday. Abrdn declined to disclose the size of the stake or say how much it paid. Archax aims to provide access to blockchain-based digital assets for institutional investors, acting as a bridge to traditional finance. Abrdn, which manages $564 billion in assets, said it expects investors to use Archax as a means to invest in digital securities and for Archax to be able to tokenize traditional assets. Totality Corp's NFT gaming metaverse known as Zionverse is all geared up to take the spirit of Independence Day to the next level. The gaming platform has decided to launch Desi NFTs for its users who will sign up on the Zionverse before 15th August 2022. The launch will take place in 3 phases. The first phase launch is the Freedom Fighters NFTs in 3D stamped style that will be airdropped on 15th August to all the people who would be having a Zionverse account. The total number of NFTs launched in Phase 1 would be 27,775. These NFTs will include freedom fighters such as Shaheed Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, B.R. Ambedkar, Subhash Chandra Bose, and Mahatma Gandhi. However, the NFTs would be assigned randomly, but the unique 75 NFTs out of the 27,775 NFTs would be assigned to those who have the maximum referral sign-ups into Zionverse. Buenos Aires, the capital of Argentina, plans to deploy the Ethereum validation nodes in 2023. Diego Fernandez, the city's Secretary of Innovation and Digital Transformation, said during the South American country's Ethereum conference Thursday. Fernandez said the effort has exploratory and regulatory purposes and will help the city of 3 million people develop adaptable regulation for crypto. Buenos Aires would be one of the first cities in the world where a government deploys Ethereum nodes or a computer running Ethereum client software. Deployment of the nodes will be carried out under a regulatory sandbox that the Buenos Aires legislature approved in 2021, Fernandez said it. Throughout the sandbox, the government of Buenos Aires will call on private parties to contribute to the deployment of the nodes. That's all in the news today. This is me, Vishaka, signing off. And for more such updates, keep watching 3.0 TV.